Hey everyone, great news for e-reader fans. Remember when Amazon announced their new Kindle Scribe models back in September? Well, two of them are officially here just in time for the holidays. The flagship Kindle Scribe Colorsoft and the new Monochrome Kindle Scribe with front light are now available to buy. So, what's new? These scribes have a larger 11-inch screen, but they're actually slimmer and lighter than the previous model. Amazon achieved this with smaller bezels and a completely redesigned display. They're also powered by a new custom processor, which Amazon says gives them a 40% performance boost. You might remember this smaller Kindle Colorsoft had some issues with yellow tinging on the display. The good news is, it looks like Amazon has fixed that problem with this new Scribe Colorsoft model. I've just unboxed mine and I don't see any yellowing at all. I'll be doing a full review soon, so subscribe to see my final verdict. Thanks for watching.